What the hell?
Exactly. You see? That's why you see here right now.
I didn't even realize my wife recorded me. But yeah, I'm just drinking my coffee right now, man. Today's kind of slow and stuff. I'm gonna pause the. Do I need to pause the live? Yeah, let me. I'm gonna pause. Bless Lola. I'll probably just do it later, man. It's not a big deal. Right now, the wife is just cooking it up right now. Babe, what happened? Oh man, I feel tired today. Either I'm tired or I'm awake yet. Man, my hair looking nice, bro. I'm gonna hit up some block. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna see what I'm gonna block today. Dun 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 dun. Alright, I'll probably get back up on here in a little bit. I'm gonna do something real quick, guys. Wow! Oh, he didn't bring the sila, huh? For what? Good job, he's paying. I'm still in love with what I eat.
Kay mamasayros ako. Ugunong to kasako, ganda kong buwak. Naman ta. Nana dia? Awa mo tawo, nang tulog. Dami. Tulog mo po ina. Bilis na ni Lola, naka-build dryer. Wala nang laway ko sa ako diba? Ikuan tanan na koy atong paabuton tanan kay ron tawag gila ka sa ako. Sa isa ra ta mo biyahe.
Man, I got my sealers. Aquí tenemos los sealers ya. I wish I had some hot sauce, man. I'm gonna start making hot sauce soon so I can have. Mira. Oh, unas de Tabasco, güey. So good. Mira. Pretty good. Maybe the thing that I'll do probably add like a little bit more salt. I don't think she added